Hey lovelies, welcome or welcome back again to my channel. I hope everyone is doing wonderfully well. In today's video, we are making this simple yet delicious Ghanaian egg sauce recipe. So guys, let's get into the video. In a pan, I'll go in with some oil, let it heat for some few minutes and then went in with some onion. So I'm going to stir this for a few minutes before adding my salted fish. At this point, I went in with my salted fish and then stir this until it is translucent. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. After 5 minutes, I will stir everything beautifully and then add my chopped tomatoes. You can also use tomato paste if that's what you have available, and then went in with my pepper mix. So this pepper mix has some ginger, garlic. I also added some rosemary and then grinded everything together. So I'm not going to add any pepper again. So what I'm doing now, I'm just stirring everything and allow this to be on the fire so that it can release, tomatoes can release its own juice. Okay, so after 5 minutes, the tomatoes has released its own juice beautifully. And this was so quick. So now I will go in with my all-purpose seasoning. I also add some half seasoning cube and also go in with my salt. So these are the only seasoning I'm adding to this stew over here. So I will stir everything nicely. Moving forward fam, I will then add my eggs, and in all I use 5 eggs to make this egg sauce. While that is going on, I just want to thank my returning and new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my videos, liking, sharing, and also leaving a comment under my videos. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you so much. Okay, so after 5 minutes, I just stir this gently and let it be on the fire for some few more minutes. Thank you so much. If you are still watching up to this time, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. And you can watch me on Facebook, watch my short videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube short as well. The name is Sketchbooks. So guys, at this point, I'll go in with my sardines and then stir everything all together. Alright lovelies, so our egg sauce is finally ready. The outcome was so lovely. This was quick and easy to put together with just some few ingredients. Guys, let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. And I really love it, and I went ahead to also pair this with my boiled yam. You can pair this with your rice, your potato, anything goes well with this sauce. Thank you so much for watching this video. So I come your way again. See you guys in my next upload, and peace be with you all. Thank you so much for watching.